The perfect balance status after adjusting gravity center before power on. Take smartphone for example. Tilt rolling axis. Put the gimbal on the table. Turn the smartphone on towards any position. It will stay there without holding by hand. Panning axis. Holding the handle horizontally, vertical arm can stay parallel to the ground. The perfect balanced status after adjusting gravity center of camera before power on. Camera. Take Sony's A6300 for example. Tilt axis. Put the gimbal on the table. Turn the camera towards any position. It will stay there without holding by hand. Rolling axis. Put the gimbal on the table. Horizontal arm can stay parallel to the ground. Panning axis. Holding the handle horizontally, vertical arm can stay parallel to the ground.